So good day everyone. So for today is we're going to solve torsion. So we have this given diagram, we have this curve, high shaft, I mean. So 3.11 problem, we have the shaft AB is, we have third AB, we have 300 Newton meter, then our diameter is 0.030 meters. Then our C or radius is 0.050 meter. Then at Tmax, we have 2T over pi C cube. Then substitute the given value, we have 2 times 300 over pi times 0.015 cube is equals to 56.6 megapascal. Then at shaft BC, we have third BC is 300 plus 400, then add this third, we have 700 Newton meter. Then at Tmax is equals to 2T over pi C cube. Then substitute the given value to get that 36.6 megapascal. Then at the next problem, we have shaft AB. Same in this number given, you have same equation. Then to reduce the shearing stress is to get the Tmax or C. So the largest stress here, problem number 2 is 56.6 megapascal. Then the next one is we get the C cube. Then we have 56.6 megapascal equals to 2 times 700 over pi C cube. Then our answer is 19.895 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. So we're going to times 2 the radius. So we get the 39.79 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter, or 39.8 millimeter. So that's all. Thank you.